The world of AI and crypto investing is booming. These two technologies were made for each other. And today, we're diving into how you can use AI to supercharge your crypto investing journey. So whether you're a seasoned investor or just dipping your toes into the market, this video will show you how to make the most out of AI and crypto investing. Let's get started. Number 1. AI-powered market analysis. AI can quickly analyze vast amounts of data, including news, social media chatter, blockchain activity, and market charts. This means that AI can often spot trends and patterns that humans might miss, leading to smarter investment decisions. For example, AI dashboards on exchanges like Binance or KuCoin give you AI-driven signals and sentiment analysis. This helps you gauge the overall feeling about a coin or the market bullish, bearish, or neutral, and make more informed trades. Number 2. AI trading bots. Imagine a personal trading assistant that never gets tired and always follows your strategy. That's what AI-driven trading bots offer. They can trade automatically based on your preferred strategy, be it grid trading, arbitrage, momentum strategies, or more. Connect these bots to your exchange account like Binance, KuCoin, Bybit, and set your risk levels. The bot will then execute trades on your behalf. Many platforms offer paper trading first, so you can test bots with virtual money before risking real funds. Number 3. Portfolio optimization with AI. Keeping your portfolio optimized can be time-consuming, but AI can help. Some platforms use AI to automatically rebalance your crypto holdings. Tell the platform your risk tolerance and it will adjust your portfolio of Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins, and stablecoins according to market volatility and conditions. This way, you'll always be aiming for the best return while staying within your comfort level of risk. Number 4. AI for risk management. One of the biggest benefits of AI in crypto investing is risk management. AI can track volatility and warn you when it's time to exit a position. Take, for example, the sudden Bitcoin crashes we've seen in the past. An AI-driven risk alert system could have saved many investors from getting caught off guard. With AI, you can set smart stop-loss or take-profit triggers based on real-time market analysis. Number 5. AI-powered research. AI makes in-depth research easier. Tools like Glassnode and Sentiments use AI to analyze on-chain data, giving you insights into wallet movements, whale transactions, DeFi liquidity shifts, and more. For instance, you can see when large players start moving their coins, which could be an early signal of a price move. Number 6. AI-powered DeFi and yield farming. Some platforms use AI to auto-allocate your funds to the most profitable liquidity pools, staking, or lending opportunities. This means you can earn passive income without having to manually hunt for the best yields. Before you dive in, here are some important notes to keep in mind. Always do your own research. While AI can improve your chances of success in crypto investing, remember that markets are still risky. Start small and only invest what you can afford to lose. And finally, combine AI with your own strategy. Use AI-powered tools as enhancements to your own investment approach rather than replacing it entirely. That's it for now. We'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care and happy investing.